In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ZArchiver app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe your app is not opening, it keeps on stopping, or it is too slow, or you can't send files, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, you need to go to settings on your phone and tap on it. And from settings, look for this option, apps. Under apps, you'll be taken to this page where you can see manage apps or all apps depending on your phone. From the list, search for your app by name. So I'll search for ZArchiver and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to force stop, and okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. Okay, finally clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone. Then before you open your app, make sure you're not using any VPN, as this might also be causing the error. If you have any VPN, turn it off or uninstall it to fix this. And also go to your phone and look for Google Play Store or App Store, search for your ZArchiver app and see if you have any update your app to the latest version. Now at this point, everything should be up and running. You should be able to use your ZArchiver without any issue. However, if you still encounter any challenge such as permission is needed, for that you need to grant permission by tapping on OK and permit the permission here by granting access to manage files. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.